Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Raphael, a show that is all about making you a better cook at home and showing you that cooking is not so complicated. Today you're not actually going to cook, I'm going to show you how to make a meat salad, and today I'm actually using goat meat. For the ingredients we will need assorted vegetables. I have mixed colored peppers, some carrots, some onions, cabbage. Because this is a salad, you can use whatever vegetables that you have available. Let's say you have roast meat and you have it left over, whether it's the festive season, whether you bought some meat and then it was left over. This is how now you need to repurpose it, to like recycle it, to make it something different. The first thing you need to do is cut it up. Right now I'm using goat meat. When it comes to a salad or any cooking for that matter, is that you have to have your ingredients cut up in a similar design or shape. So I'm going to cut it into strips. So what I'm trying to do is to get into similar strips. When it comes to the onion, try and make it as thin as possible. Personally, I like red onions, so you can also use the white onion. Don't put too much of something. Can't tell you the quantities to use because it depends on the amount of meat you have. They look like matchsticks, but again, at the end of the day, what you're trying to do here is to have a uniform way of cutting your vegetables and the meat as well. I'll add a little bit of the cabbage. And you can see it looks very nice. If you want more of the veggies, you can always add more, and I think more is good, especially when it comes to vegetables. But I think we'll leave it at that. I think whatever else I can add to this is some roughly chopped coriander. This is good by itself, but I think what is needed is something now to make it into a complete salad. The dressing, a little bit of the vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar. This is just plain white vinegar. You can also use lemon juice, by the way. If you don't have the vinegar at hand, you can use lemon juice, but what we will do is, the simple trick is to put one part vinegar to 3 parts of oil. So assuming this is half a cup or a quarter of a cup of vinegar, I'll add 3 times that of oil. And how you know it's ready is by just tasting it. I'll also add some salt. Just a little bit. Now, depending on the type of vinegar that you have used, that's what the flavor that you will get. But sometimes I prefer a flavorless oil like corn oil. So I like the taste. If you feel it's too sharp because of the acidity of the vinegar, you can always add slightly more oil. Now, but remember, 1 part vinegar to 3 parts of oil. Just a little bit. And then perfect. What you'll find is that the crunch of the peppers, the carrots, all the vegetables that we've added, plus the taste of the meat, makes this a salad that you have to try. You can have it immediately, like prepare it and serve, but if you put it in the fridge, it's even tastier. And I hope you're going to enjoy it. So as you can see, it's all different vegetables, all different colors, but the trick here is cut them at the same shape and size.